Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Byers Carolers is probably one of the most iconic and heartwarming ways to bring the spirit of the holidays into your home, offering a timeless charm that resonates with people of all ages and creates lasting memories during the festive season. Number 5. CLEANGOR Crevice Cleaning Brushes. Introducing the CLEANGOR Crevice Cleaning Brushes, your ultimate solution for cleaning those hard-to-reach tight spaces. Designed for efficiency and durability, these brushes make cleaning effortless. Crafted with sturdy plastic and alloy, featuring a robust PP handle and hard bristles, these brushes are built to last. They won't easily bend, deform, or shed, ensuring sustainable use. Experience a comfortable and labor-saving cleaning session with its non-slip, ergonomic handle. It's designed for an easy grip, protecting your hands while you work. Its narrow head and curved front design allow it to effortlessly enter gaps, cracks, and corners. The thick, long bristles effectively remove dust and dirt from even the smallest spaces. Small and portable, this cleaning brush is perfect for both home and travel. It's easy to store and transport, ensuring you always have a cleaning solution on hand. Featuring a convenient hole in the handle, it can be easily hung to dry and store. This space-saving design keeps your cleaning tools tidy and accessible. From sinks and window tracks to car interiors and grout lines, this multi-purpose brush tackles a wide array of cleaning tasks. It's your go-to tool for kitchens, bathrooms, vehicles, and more. What we like? This brush is built to last with quality materials and a comfortable grip. Its narrow head is perfect for reaching those tough, tight spots. If you're looking for a durable and effective tool to tackle grime in shower tracks, window sills, or any other hard-to-reach crevice, this is the one for you. What people say. The bristles are firm enough to scrub away dirt in corners and grout lines, but not so harsh that they scratch surfaces. They work really well on sink edges, faucet bases, and even the tight spaces around my stove. What I like most is the convenience. After cleaning, I can tuck them right into the scrub brush holder, so they're always within reach. That little detail saves me from digging around in a drawer and makes me actually use them more often. Perfect for tight spaces, great for getting into cracks, crevices, and awkward corners. Whether it's car vents, trim, or door jams, it gets in there. Number 4. SONGMICS Christmas Ornament Storage Box URFB 035R01. Access your treasured ornaments with ease thanks to the convenient pull tabs on the trays. Need to store something different? The adjustable dividers can accommodate various festive items. With 128 individual slots and extra pockets, every bauble and decoration has its own dedicated space. The front label holder helps you easily identify contents. Maximize your storage by stacking these containers thanks to the reinforced lid. Enjoy a neatly organized space free from clutter. Crafted from sturdy 600D Oxford fabric, this container is built to last and can hold up to 11 pounds. Its sophisticated cherry red color adds a touch of elegance to your home. Dual zippers protect your items from dust, while the secure lid prevents accidental openings. Carry it anywhere with the convenient side handles. What we like? Keep your precious ornaments organized and protected with this spacious storage solution. It offers ample room for each item and can be stacked to save space. If you have a large collection of delicate Christmas ornaments and want to keep them safe from dust and damage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The overall bag is nicely made and seems quality. I can organize my ornaments by color and easily be ready for next Christmas. Easy to carry and store. This storage box seems very sturdy, and has a nice floor to put inside the box. The dividers are sturdy cardboard, and should stand up just fine. You can adjust the dividers to fit different sizes of ornaments. Number 3. Byers Choice Caroler Condo Storage Box. Introducing the Caroler Condo Storage Box from Byers Choice. It's the perfect solution for keeping your cherished carolers safe and sound when they're not on display. This storage box offers a convenient and easy way to store your carolers. It's designed for simplicity and efficiency. When your carolers are out and being admired, this box collapses easily for storage. This means it won't take up valuable space. Byers Choice has been a part of American Christmas traditions for 40 years. Bring home a piece of that heritage with this practical storage solution. Ensure your Byers Choice carolers are protected and ready for next season. This storage box is the ideal way to preserve your collection. What we like. This storage box offers a simple and convenient way to store your cherished figurines. It conveniently collapses when not in use, saving you space. If you own Byers Carolers and need a dedicated, easy-to-store solution for them when they're not on display, this is ideal. What people say. Very sturdy carrier for the carolers, especially compared to the paper cardboard containers they come in we've been using for years. This is perfect for my Byers Choice 12 Days of Christmas figures. I was trying to figure out how to store them safely and had found this item on a collectible website. Very well made. Storage box is easy to put together. There's several dividers. Large carolers fit nicely in each space. 2 child carolers can fit in one space. Zipper on top keeps carolers clean inside. Number 2. Byers Choice Family with Cardinals Woman #111W. Meet our family with Cardinals Woman, a beautifully expressive piece. Each one is masterfully hand-sculpted and painted, bringing unique character to life. She's dressed perfectly for the holidays in a cozy green sweater and a charming checkered skirt. She carries a basket of treats, ready to share joy with everyone. This figure symbolizes more than just a festive decoration. It represents hope, joy, health, rejuvenation, and celebration. Complete the perfect display for the bird lover on your list with this collection. Look for the man, boy, and girl to create a heartwarming scene. Standing at an impressive 13 inches tall, this piece is a testament to detailed craftsmanship. It's a beautiful addition to any holiday decor. Each piece is proudly handmade in the USA. Experience the quality and artistry that goes into every creation. What we like. Each figurine is a unique work of art, meticulously crafted with expressive details. They bring a sense of joy and symbolism to your holiday decor. If you appreciate handcrafted artistry and are looking for a special piece to add to your Christmas display or gift to a bird lover, this is a wonderful option. What people say. The Byers Carolers are a charming addition to any holiday decor. Each caroler is intricately detailed, from their festive clothing to their musical instruments. They stand about 6 inches tall, making them a perfect size for mantles or tabletops. Number 1. Byers Choice 12 Drummers Drumming Caroler Figurine. For over 40 years, Byers Choice Carolers have embodied the spirit of an American-made Christmas tradition. This piece continues that legacy. Each figurine is meticulously hand-sculpted, ensuring a unique and detailed representation. The expressive clay face brings the character to life. Introducing the 12 Drummers Drumming Caroler, a special addition to the 12 Days of Christmas collection. It's a perfect way to celebrate the season. Observe the exquisite detail in every hand-painted stroke. This figurine is a testament to the artistry and care put into its creation. Add this beautifully crafted piece to your holiday decor. It's more than just a decoration, it's a piece of Christmas history. What we like. This figurine is a testament to a long-standing American Christmas tradition, featuring beautiful hand sculpting and painting. It's designed to bring a festive spirit to your home. If you value handcrafted holiday decor and want to embrace a piece of American Christmas heritage, this caroler is a fantastic addition. What people say. Byers Choice is a company in Pennsylvania that creates these high-quality dolls. We have purchased many of these dolls in the past and have always been pleased. These dolls are wonderful collector's items. The uniform is rich in color. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.